How to delete DuckDuckGo search engine from your Google Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you if you're searching something and it is uh, uh, open in DuckDuckGo. So I will show you the two methods so you can use it, and you can simply remove DuckDuckGo search engine from your Chrome browser and you can use the Google search engine. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the browser first. Okay, so this is my browser and I'm using the Google only. So you can see if I search something here, it will be open in Google only. But maybe in your case, if you are trying to search anything here, it will be by default open in DuckDuckGo. So what you need to do, just come to this three dot right corner, upper right corner, just click on this three dot option. Okay, just click on this three dot option, go to the settings. So under settings you will find the option called you will see the right side this option bar, sidebar, and now we need to go in search engine. Okay, before that, one step you have to take, you have to check whether your application or Chrome browser up to date or not. Okay, now go to the about Google Chrome, and here you have to check if your Chrome browser up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be start to update automatically. After update, just click you will see the option called relaunch. Here just click on the relaunch and then open it. Now come to the settings and just click on search engine here, and here you can see the option for search engine. By default search engine you have to select, maybe you have select DuckDuckGo, you have to select Google only, and now just go to the manage search engine, and here you have to check Google is a by default or not. If it is not by default, then just click on three dot option like this and make it default. Okay, make it Google default. Okay, now the last step you have to take, go to the on startup. Under startup you have to check this option, you have to tick mark this third option, and here you have to check if there is a Google or not. Okay, so it is startup. When you start or open the Chrome browser, then here the by default page will be open as a Google. So if there is any other page, so you have to just add Google here. Just type Google, just select the address and copy it and paste here and just add it, so it will be add. And you can remove one other page. If there any other page, just remove it and make it only Google or page for your startup. Okay, so that is how you can change DuckDuckGo search engine in Chrome browser. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.